Hello my lovely friends, thank you so much for stopping by once again. In this video I'm going to quickly share with you how I roasted my yam and plantain. As you can see here, no frying, so stay tuned to see how I make it. So as you can see here, I've already peeled and cut my yam, and I'm just going to bring it to a boil, and I've seasoned with some salt. And I boiled that for about 7 minutes, no longer than that, because you don't want it to go too soft. Then I drain the water off, and I'm going to leave it here for later. And here in my bowl, I've got some olive oil, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of suya spice there. If you haven't watched the video to my suya spice yet, you definitely have to. I recommend that. And in the video, I did say I wasn't going to waste the raw beets that I have seated, so that is what I am using here. It's very useful, and I haven't added any salt because I already seasoned my yam with some salt. So I'm gonna pour that over and then give it a toast. And I also went ahead to prep my oven on 190 degrees to get it ready for roasting. And this is it. I'm going to place this on my baking tray, which I've lined with baking paper, and sprinkle a little bit of suya spice on there. And I'm going to rub the same mixture on my plantain, which I've cut here into my dessert shape. So I made 2 sets of mixture, but in the same way. And after that, I'm going to pop it in the oven and roast or bake it for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, this is how it's looking. And I had this with my beef suya. You can have it with some crispy chicken and salsa, or with fish and salsa, or whichever way you want to have this. And it is nice because if you want to stay away from any frying stuff for a while, this is really a good choice. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support your girl. And I will see you in the next video. So bye bye for now.